What's up, y'all? This is Value Detail. So I'm really excited. We finally made a website for the detailing business. You know, it took a little minute and it wasn't easy to do. But who said this is going to be easy? Running the business is going to take a lot of effort, and you're definitely going to have persistence and you just keep going. You just can't quit. You know, that's what I learned about this. Either you built for it or you're not. So right now we got the website going. People can finally go and search my detailing business online. It's www.thevaluedetail.com, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the preview here. As you can see, we got a few different pages up here. We got a YouTube, about us, contact us. Right now we're on the home page, and we got a Mother's Day special going on. You get a premium detail for $40, which is a $35 savings, which you can add onto any service that you want. It's a limited time offer. And we also got another Mother's Day special, which is the interior detail starting at $150. You get a choice to pick between a seat shampoo or carpet shampoo, and we pretty much clean the entire inside of the vehicle. But you can also get you can do both. We have that option too. It's a little bit more. So here's just my regular services that I offer. I got the premium detail, we got the good value, we got the best value, which is, you know, these are just different type of waxes you can add to your car. We got the spray wax plus that gives up to 10 weeks protection, or you can get the paint sealant, which is up to 6 months protection. Then we got the full value, which is basically a full detail. And we also have a hydrophobic windshield treatment that we do with that. You can get the ceramic coating that starts at $900. Headlight restored starting at $100. But we restore them with clear coat. Engine steam clean starting at $100. Trim restore starting at $75. And then we got the all-in-one paint enhanced and wax combo with the 3D speed starting at $300. And we got the Facebook link right here, which takes you straight to my Facebook account. It takes a little minute because my computer is slow, which I understand. But there it is, you know, boom, you know, we in there. Let's go ahead and check out the other pages we have. We got the YouTube. Y'all want to go look at some videos. If anybody want to see, you know, my process or what type of tools or equipment that I use to do my detail jobs, they can check that out there. We got About Us here. Let's go and click this and see. You know, it's telling you my story, basically how I started the detailing business. And it's a kind of long, but whatever. It's not that long. It's not like a story, like a whole, you know, book. But anyways, we got the contact us page. You can contact us 941-822-4708. We got the email j@thevaluedetail.com. You can book appointments at Facebook at Value Details and the Instagram at the bottom. We're in there now. You know, this is what it's all about. And now we're going to be working on the search engine optimization, running ads, you know, trying to run the business like a real business and doing the marketing part as well. All right, so it's probably going to take 3 to 5 days for my website to publish online so you can actually go search it. This is not a professional website. You know, this is a start, you know, just so someone can go and search me on Google. You can find me. And that's saying I'm not going to later on get someone to professionally make me a website. You're damn right I am. You know, but right now this is a start for me. It was free. You know, I did it on my own time when I could, and I finally got it done. It's not 100%, but it's almost there. Anyways, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.